Hello students, welcome back to Practice Maths. Today in this video we are going to find the solutions of logarithms. Those questions asked in pre-public examinations, questions and solutions, we are going to find the solution in this examination in this video. Now here this is useful for 10th class students who are from TS and AP students. Both students will get bit from this video, so please watch till the end. So you will get the compulsory the model questions for your board exams. Now start with the first question here. Now first question here. So if 1 by 2 into log x plus log y is equal to log of x plus y by 5, then prove that x by y plus y by x is equal to 23. He asking us to prove. Now here solution comes like this. So given question is what? 1 by 2 into log x plus log y is equal to log of x plus y by 5 here. So here this 1 by 2 I will take to the right side of the equation. It will become log x plus log y is equal to 2 into log of x plus y by 5. It will come like this. So this 2 will goes to in the form of x square here, in the form of this whole square here, means log x plus log y is equal to log xy will come here is equal to this 2 goes there and it will become log of x plus y by 5 whole square will come here. So this log will I will remove these logs here and it will become xy is equal to x plus y whole square divided by 5 square will come here. Okay, so now 5 square means it will goes this side and it will become 25xy is equal to this one a plus b whole square formula x plus y whole square formula x square plus 2xy plus y square. So this 2xy I will take this side. Okay, so it will become x square plus y square is equal to 25xy minus 2xy will come here. So from this 25xy minus 2xy is equal to 23xy will come here. Now this is x square plus y square is equal to this will come. Now we can do like this, x square plus y square divided by xy is equal to 23. We can write like this. So I am writing like here. Okay, right here. So it will become x square divided by xy plus y square divided by xy is equal to 23. Now x square in this x square, this is x into x, no, so 1x will get cancelled. This y into y, 1y will get cancelled. Now answer will x by y plus y by x is equal to 23. So he asked us to prove this only. Now this is the given question answer here. Now moving to the second question here. This is you can expect in a 4 marks question. Please practice more this one. This type of questions will come in your board exam. So this 1 by 2 form or multiply with 2 this form like this will come in your board exam. So please practice this one twice or thrice. Now moving to the next question here. Now second question is here, log 2 is equal to 0.3. Then find the value of log root 2 here. He asking us to find the value of log root 2. And third question is given here log base 3 this one under root of 3 cube here. So this value also we have to find here. Now first we do second one here. Now second one solution here. So log 2 is equal to 0.3. So from this we have to find the value of log root 2. Okay, is equal to how much he asking us to find. So here I will apply 1 by 2 both sides, like log 2 is equal to, this is also I will apply here 0.3 into 1 by 2 here. So this 1 by 2 will goes here and it will become log 2 power of 1 by 2 will come. So it will become 0.3 divided by 2 will come here. So we can write it as log 2 as a log 2 power of 1 by 2 as a log root 2 is equal to this. We can write it as how much will cut. So 0.15 will come. So this is the answer here. Okay, 2 1 ja 2 5 ja 30. So it will come 0.15. Now this is the answer. He asking us to find the value of log root 2 0.15. Now moving to the third question here. So solution here. What is the third question is given here? log of base 3 under root of 3 cube is given here. Now from this log base 3 I will write it as 3 power of 3 whole power of 1 by 2. Now it will become log 3. So 3 power of 3 by 2 will come here. So here used formula is a power of b whole power of c. It will become a power of bc will come here like that same. So or 1 by c I will take to b by c will it will come. So this will formula here. You can use this formula to get that one. So this 3 by 2 come before the log and it will become 3 by 2 the formula. So log of 3 and base 3. So this will become 1 and it will become 3 by 2 is the answer here. This will come for 1 mark question. This will also one for 1 mark question. Please concentration on this one. This type of question will ask you in your board exam. So this is a model, one model thing that. Now students, fourth question here. 3 log 2 plus 4 log 3 minus 2 log 6 is equal to log x is given. Then find the value of x he asking us to find. Now here see this, it is like a m into n and m by n formula like that. So we have to find the x value here. Now solution. So 3 log I will write it as 3 I will bring this side and it will become 2 log 2 power of 3 plus it will also I will bring this to this one. So log of 3 power of 4 minus log of 6 power of 2 is equal to log x will come. So from the I will write like this, I will write like this using the formulas like which one formula, log of a power of 2 is equal to 2 into log a base a, this one like this. So this 2 I will brought this one. So this is formula we can use here. Okay, now so it will become log of 8 plus this is log of 3 power of 4 is equal to how much? Log of 3 power of 4. 4 will go subside and it will become 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, 27 3 ja 81. Okay, so 81 will come here minus this is 6 6 ja 36. Log of 36 is equal to log x. We have to find the value of x. So it will become log m into n. So log m into n formula here I will use. Okay, log m into n is equal to log m plus n means log of 8 into 81. Okay, and this divide will become, so it will become divide log 36. It will I will use here log of m by n formula like that. So it will become this one total is equal to log of x. Like total I will write it as log of 8 into 81 divided by 36 will come. So total is this equation. Okay, so is equal to log x. Now here 8 1 ja 8 4 ja 36. No, 8 4 ja not 36. Sorry, here I will write like again. So log of 8 into 81 divided by 36 no is equal to log x no. So here 9 9 ja 81, 9 4 ja 36, 4 1 ja 4 2 ja. So log 2 9 ja 18. Log 18 is equal to log x. So log will remove, so it will be x is equal to 18 is the answer here. Now moving to the next question. Dear students, this type of questions will ask you in your 4 marks question. So please concentration on this question. So if 2 into log of x minus y by 2 is equal to log x plus log y plus log 3, then find the value of x by y plus y by x is equal to how much he asking us to find. Now the solution is here. So given question is, what is the given question? 2 into log of x minus y divided by 2 is equal to, so log x he is saying, log y is given, log 3 is given. Now from this I will take this 2 to this whole square, x minus y by 2 whole square, where log of is equal to, this is log x into log m into n, and this is divide, and log of xy, so into plus only na, so 3xy it will become log of 3xy. Now log I will remove from both sides and it will become x minus y by 2 whole square, and it will become how much it will become, 3x and y will remain here. Now x minus y whole square divided by 2 square will come is equal to 3x y will come here. So 3x y will come here. So 2 2 ja 4. 4 will goes this side, right side, and it will become 12xy. Now means x minus y whole square is equal to 12xy will come here. Now we have to like a minus b formula here, whole square formula we have to use, and we have to expand this one. X square minus 2xy plus y square is equal to, and here it will become 12xy, no? So 12xy. So this 2xy comes this side, and it will become x square plus y square is equal to 14xy will come. So xy will come this side, and x square by xy will come, plus y square by xy is equal to 14 will come. So 1x x cancel, 1y cancel, and it will become answer is x by y plus y by x is equal to how much? 14. So this is the answer we have to find here. Now this is 4 marks question. Please guys, concentration on this question is very important. Now 6th one student, this is 1 mark question, very easy question. So please concentration here. Solution, this type of questions may be in your SQL board exam. Log 10 0.0003 is given here, 3 zeros. Okay, so total 4 here. Okay, so log of 10, and it will become 1 by 4, no, 1 2 3 4, 10 power sorry, like this one 10,000. So it will become log of base 10. I can write it as 10 power of 4. Okay, so now I will write it as this as log of base 10 power of minus 4 I will write. So here minus 4 will come front side of the log, and it will become log minus 4 log base 10. So this will become 1, and minus 4 into 1 is equal to minus 4 will come here answer. So this answer is equal to minus 4 here. Now moving to the next question. Dear students, this is also 7th question here. Log of x plus y by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 into log x plus log y. This comes for your 2 marks question or 4 marks question. Please concentration and practice here twice or thrice. Okay, this type of questions. Now start with this question. Solution. Start with this solution. So here log of x plus y by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 into log x plus log y is given here. Okay, now this 1 by 2 I will take this, and it will become 2 into log of x plus y by 3 is equal to log x plus log y it will come. Now I will bring this 2 into the square form. Okay, so log of x plus y by 3 whole square is equal to log x into y will come. So log will get cancelled, it will become, so we'll remove or get cancelled here. So x plus y whole square by 3 square is equal to x y will come. So this 3 square will goes there, and it will become 3 3 ja 9, no, 9x will come, 9xy. So I will write here, and x plus y whole square is equal to 9xy will come here. So this x plus y whole square is a plus b whole square, like that. I will expand this one as x square plus 2xy plus y square is equal to 9xy will come here. This 2xy is there, na? I will take this side to the right side of the equation. Means x square plus y square is equal to 9xy minus 2xy will come here. It will become 7xy. So xy comes this side, and it will become, I am taking here x square plus y square is equal to 7xy. No, I will bring this xy this side, and x square by xy will come plus y square will by xy will come is equal to 7 will come. So y get cancelled and x get cancelled. X by y plus y by x is equal to 7 will come here answer. So this is also very important question. I'm telling you once again. So it will come for 2 marks or 4 marks question compulsory. This type of question, not this question. This type of question already come 3 times in this video only. So please go through there. This type of question also will come same this question also, and again this question. So this and this one also. These three questions are very important. Fifth one, okay, fifth one, and fifth one we can, where is the question? Where is the question? This one, first question, and fifth one, and seventh one. These three questions are same like questions. Please practice these one, fifth one, 5 and 7th questions. Okay, I find write practice again and again. Okay, this type of questions will help you. Now 8th one, log x base x, this one base x power and 625 is equal to 4. Then find the value of x he asking us to find. Now this type of question will come for your 1 mark question. Okay, so 1 mark question, and this type of question will also confirm 1 mark question. I took this two in a one page. Okay, so here solution of this 8th one is log of x is there na, x 625 is equal to 4. He is saying that find the value of this x, and I will write this x as 625 is equal to x power of 4. I will write. I will bring this log base is this side of the equation, this side of the is equal to, and it will become x power of 4 will come. Okay, so here 625 I will write it as 5 power of 4. 5 power of 4 is equal to x power of 4. So powers are equal, bases are also equal, means here x is equal to 5 will come answer here. Okay, so this is the solution of 8th one. And 9th one here, this is the formula. You go through the textbook, you will get this formula. Okay, now 9th one solution here. So given question is log of 512 base 2 minus log of base 2 32. So this is log m minus n formula, like this, log of 512 divided by 32 I will write, and base 2 same. So what is the formula? Log of m by n is equal to log m minus log n formula, like this. Okay, in this formula I will use here. Okay, so this will come. Now it will become cancellation. 2 6 ja, no 2 16 ja, and 2 256 ja, 16 ja. So how much will come? Log base 2 16 will come here. Now here what we have got, log of base 2, this we can write it as 2 power of 4. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 2 power of 4. 4 comes to the before of the log, and it will become log 2, and base 2 is equal to, this is 1 here, 4 into 1 is the answer here, is equal to 4. So this is the answer is 4 here. Now moving to the next question, 10th one. So this 10th one also very easy, 1 mark question. 10th one, expand the log 120 divided by 49. So this is 1 mark question here. So solution here, log of 120 divided by 49. So we can write it as log of 120 minus log 49. So 120 we can write it as log of 15 into 2 power of 3 minus log of 7 square. So this 2 power of 3 is equal to 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 15 8 ja 120. So that's why I took here this one. Okay, so log of this 3 5 ja, we can write it as log 3 plus log 5 plus log 8. So this is one total I am writing, like where log of 15 I will write as 3 into 5, no, so into 2 power of 3 is 8 here. 2 3 3 5 ja 15, 15 8 ja 120. So this will I will write it as log 3 plus log 5 plus log 8. This is a formula, log of m plus n formula. So minus this is 2 into log 7 will come answer here. So this is expanded form of this one question, given question. Now answer is this one. So it is 1 mark question. Please guys practice more here. Okay. Now 11th one question, solve the log base 2 x square minus 5x plus 14 is equal to 3. So we have to find this, we have to solve this one. Now solution here. So given question is that one, I will log 2 I will write again x square minus 5x plus 14 is equal to 3. So I will bring this 2 side this side, and x square minus 5x plus 14 is equal to 2 power of 3 will come here. So log change it into a power like this, 2 power of 3. So 2 power of 3 is equal to 8, and 8 will become inside, and it will become x square minus 5x plus 14 minus 8 is equal to 0. This will become 6. Now here x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0 now. So we have to do split the term. Okay, so how we will split this term means here minus 3 minus 2 will come like that. Here x square minus 3 x minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0 will come, and it will become xi will come from these two term, and x minus 3 will come, minus 2 will come from this, x minus 3 will come is equal to 0. So x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 0, and x is equal to 2 will 1 come, and x is equal to 3 will 1 come here. So these are some important questions for your prelims, your board exam, coming board exam. This is useful for TS and AP students also. Please share to your friends who are needy to learn maths. So some people will not get this type of questions, simple questions also. So give them this type of questions and share them with them, so they will feel happy and they will score better in their exams. Thank you. Please guys, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.